Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Creo tutorials how to extrude on cube surface. For example, I will create a surface. You can go to front plan, click sketch, and the next I will use plan tools to create cube surface. Click OK. Use extrude tools to convert into surface. So if you want to extrude this cube surface, we can use thicken tools. You can click at this icon, thicken. Now we can see. If you want to increase the extrusions, you can click at these buttons to here. Or you can double click in here, set like into 30. You can press enter to apply. Click OK. So that's it, how to extrude on cube surface. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.